Tata Motors isn't just reviving a legend, they are aiming straight at the heart of the mid-size compact SUV segment. That behind me is the all-new Tata Sierra. It starts at a price point of 11.49 lakh rupees. Yes, 11.49 lakh. That's what the starting price on that vehicle is. Tata has loaded the new generation Sierra with a host of premium first for Tata features. The headline edition, a triple screen layout that spans across the dashboard, paired with 12-speaker JBL surround system and an integrated soundbar. You also get ventilated front seats, dual zone climate control with rear AC vents and a panoramic sunroof. Lower variants will come with dual display setup instead. Safety is another major highlight. At the launch, they redefined how safety tests are done. Two Sierras crashed at 50 km an hour with 4 dummy occupants each, and the car had its structural integrity intact. This was visually something that was never seen before in the Indian automotive space. The Tata Sierra will also be a first in its class to come with Made in India 5G connectivity that is powered by a Snapdragon chipset that will give you V2X technology for duress as well as streaming. Under the hood, Tata will offer the familiar 1.5-litre diesel engine shared with the Nexon and the Curvv. There's also a naturally aspirated petrol engine, but the big news is the debut of Tata's all-new 1.5-litre turbo-petrol Hyperion engine. All engines will get manual and automatic gearbox options. The Sierra isn't entering an empty playground, it's actually getting into a very crowded space with the Hyundai Creta, the Kia Seltos and the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. With bold design, fresh engines and feature list that feels almost futuristic, the 2025 Tata Sierra is shaping up to be one of Tata's most important launches. But one thing is clear, with all these features at this price point, Tata is aiming high. My only question to all of you out there is how many screens are too many?